Hello students, today we are going to draw a beautiful scenery. Let's start. First take the line tool, select the size and select the color which is black. Draw a straight line using the shift key. Shift key helps to draw the straight line. Now select triangle tool from shapes group and start drawing the triangles. Make sure to overlap the base of triangle with the line that we have drawn. Make as many triangles as required to fill the complete space. Now select the oval tool from the shapes group, change its color to yellow and draw a sun between the mountains. Now use the basic geometrical shapes and lines from the shapes group itself and draw a hut or a house we can say. Make the door, windows, sunlight source and everything that you want to elaborate that it is a house. Now select the fill tool, fill colors in the whole scenery. You can try green as well as brown mountains. I like brown more so I'm using that only. Fill color in sun, the sky and in the hut also. You can also select the color for house by trying them and coloring one by one. I guess this color combination works fine for me. You can choose your colors, that's up to you. Now choose brush, watercolor brush from the brush tool and green color, and let's make a random line over here to differentiate between the water area and the land area. Now select the fill tool and green color and fill green color into the land area to show that the whole land is covered with grass. Now select oil brush and blue color. Make the size maximum so that you can fill the water area very easily using less number of strokes. You have to fill this complete water area using the brush itself, because this makes it look that the water is flowing in some particular direction. Now select dark blue color and airbrush from the brush categories and size to the normal size, and then make these water lines over here. Now simply use the polygon tool to draw a boat in water. You can draw this boat using any other shape also if you want to create the boat in any particular shape, or you can also draw this using lines, simple line. But I suggest you to use polygon tool so that you can fill color in this shape easily. Also, let's draw a small triangle over it to make it look like a cute little boat. Once more, select one brush and black color from the color palette and draw small human figure into the boat. Now you don't have to make a particular human, you just have to give an illusion that some human is sitting over there. So you just have to draw some lines over there. Now fill color into the boat. You can see here that fill tool is not filling the color completely into the shape. That is because of the strokes that we have made in the background for the water. So you can use brush here. Now to show snow over the mountains, we have to select brush type. So here I am selecting crayon brush and then white color for the snow, and simply make some snow over the corners. Now let's zoom the sheet and make a small temple near the house. Just the way we drew the house, we are drawing a simple temple over here, and I am going to use a brush to show it like a temple. I'll make some spikes over the corner. Let's zoom out and see what it looks like. Here it is. Our scenery is ready and it's looking beautiful to me. Do tell me what you think of this scenery in the comment section below.